Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to recover lost Brawl Stars account. So first of all you need to go to this official website, navigate to the support section, go to the account tab. Now click on I've lost access to my account, and basically steps to perform are going to be checking for Supercell ID. If you link to your Brawl Stars account via Supercell ID, log in with the same ID credentials. If you forgot the email or password, you can try recovering your Supercell ID via the email recovery option on the login screen. The step number 2 is going to be checking connected accounts. If your account was linked to Google Play for Android or Game Center for iOS or Facebook, try logging in through those platforms. Step number 3 is going to be contacting Supercell support. If you can't recover your account through the above methods, you'll need to contact Supercell support. Open the game and tap on the settings, which is the gear icon. In the top right corner, tap help and support and then lost account. Then provide account details when contacting support. Those are going to be player name and tag, club name, XP level, last known trophies, and device details, and then wait for the response. Support might take some time to verify and recover your account, so be patient. And by following these steps, you should be able to recover your lost Brawl Stars account. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped you, leave a comment, like the video, and I will see you very soon.